Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to request a refund on a Eurowings flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner we have, as you can see, your profile, and in the bottom of the screen we have your option where you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and request a refund on Eurowings flight. So navigate to the My Trip section in the top side of the screen, and then choose the flight you want to request a refund. So you have to go to Edit Booking, and here you'll have, just a second, all the information about your flight when you of course put the information of your flight. At the moment I don't have any booking, so as you can see, but if you of course put in your booking information, you will have it here. Then look for the option Request Refund and follow the prompts. Complete the refund request form and submit it. If your flight was cancelled by Eurowings, you will be shown the refund option automatically. Eurowings will process your refund within 7 days if the original payment was made by credit card, or up to 20 days if paid by cash or check. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Till then, bye guys.